What if you could control your whole house with just your phone? You can, and it's really easy. In this video, we'll explain what a smart home is. It might sound intimidating at first, but trust me when I say that it's not as hard as you think. We'll also be looking at how smart homes work, what they do for you, the different types of smart products out there, and some cool things that they'll be able to do in the future. Welcome back to Tech Ed and Beyond. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. We share information about technologies to help you plan your future better. This being said, let's get to today's video. And let's start with the basics. What is a smart home? A smart home is an automated house that has technology integrated into it to make the tasks inside the house easier. For example, if you went to bed at night and forgot to turn your stove off, it will automatically turn itself off. Also, your smart oven would come on by itself when it gets to a certain time in the morning. Smart home devices are coming into the market every day. Some being released are what are called smart light bulbs. What makes these smart light bulbs different from regular ones is that they can give you updates or alerts on what's happening in your house, meaning if someone uses the microwave and it does not turn off, the smart light bulb would wink off and on to notify you. There are many other gadgets coming into the market that will make your life easier, like what is called a smart garage. What this does is allow the door to open or close by itself depending on what time it is. If you get home from work at 5 p.m. and it's cloudy, what smart garage would do is close the door just in case it pours. What's great about this is that you don't have to worry about your garage door anymore. Sounds cool, right? No need to worry much about things in your house because you will still have full control even when you're outside. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of smart home. The most significant benefit of living in a smart home involves an improvement in security features. A smart home comes with what is called intelligent alarm systems, which include CCTV cameras and motion sensor lights, among others. The threat of burglary is what people fear the most in their everyday lives. While we cannot rule out the possibility of someone breaking into your house and taking what you have with them, what we can do is be on guard and take necessary precautions to protect what belongs to us. With a smart home, this will become easy. A smart home also comes with what is called a smart doorbell. The most basic of these doorbells is what you simply attach to any part of your house or what can be placed outside the doorstep. In addition, these doorbells also come with cameras that allow one to see who has been buzzing from outside before opening the door for them. Once you have what is called a smart lock, then what follows next is what you install at your doorsteps. The main function of the usual locks on our doors is to prevent someone from opening them with force. While this still applies with what is called a smart lock, what they also do is alert the owners when force is used to break into their house. From what we have come across, what a smart doorbell and lock can do in terms of preventing your home from being broken into comes with a cost that may not be easy to afford by all. This will make it difficult for homeowners to secure themselves before what is called an intruder strikes. However, what we stand to gain from these locks and doorbells is security that surpasses what traditional locks and alarms can do. What you get with a smart home is 24/7 protection around the clock. A major switch in what homeowners opt for when making their homes smart comes from what they have been used to in what is called a traditional home. This refers to what exists within the four walls of the house. Most people tend to buy what they believe will make their homes more comfortable for them. This is what we call what you see. A smart home, on the other hand, goes beyond what you can see and touch. Understand that you will never have what it takes to completely prevent what you cannot see from getting into your home. For this reason, what is important is what a smart home has to offer, which comes with what you cannot see. A smart home also comes with what is called a heating and cooling system, which includes what you wear to keep warm, what you wear to keep cool, what the air conditioning puts out for you, what your bedding is made of, among others. As much amazing as a smart home sounds, there are few concerns about it. Some of the concerns are about the data collected by the system and how it is processed. Do the devices share information with their manufacturer? Could be information about a device failure or what is going on in your home. Other concerns are about social engineering. Since the items are connected to the internet, how vulnerable it is to hackers. If someone breaks into your system and controls what you thought was yours, how will companies respond? Will they have a team of experts ready to take over and help with a sense of urgency, or will you be referred to a user manual? Definitely, these are some questions or concerns that can be answered. However, when there is an issue, it is better to catch it before damage is done instead of after the hacker got all that he wants. We have to wait and see. As the technology is gaining momentum, manufacturers should expect to provide quality service and full security so homeowners don't feel threatened inside of their homes. That's it for this video. Please give us thumbs up if you like the content and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Thanks for your time, and until the next video, we'll talk to you later. Bye.